Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day you have been waiting for all of your lives. It is the most epic battle of all modern history. Much paint and ink shall be shed in the name of art glory. My opponent shall rue the day that he ever picked up a pen to create one of his fierce drawings. I'm just kidding. It is the day, though, of the epic Style Swap Art Challenge with my friend Davy J Art with a pen, and it's going to be fun. We have challenged each other, in a friendly battle, to not only swap out each other's styles, but media as well. So I am going to be attempting for the first time his amazing pen and ink style, and he is going to be trying out my watercolor technique. Sounds like fun. Well, grab your popcorn and get ready for the trailer for this epic battle. So we shall see who the victor will be. I must admit, I am a little bit nervous. Hope I don't get slaughtered. I hope it's a draw. Draw, get it? See what I did there? Draw, art. Yeah, let's just watch the trailer. So they say that imitation is the greatest form of flattery, so I really hope I do this challenge justice. Davy is an amazing artist, and after my very first attempt at drawing in his style with pen of ink, which is really out of my wheelhouse, I have nothing but the greatest respect for this man. This was hard, and you would think I would start off with something easy like a ball or an apple, but no, I decide to go full on and do a really detailed drawing of this amazing dragon. Oh well, go big or go home, I always say. Now, like I said, this is my first time ever using pen and ink, and especially the way that Davy does his what I call scribble art that turns into a masterpiece. So I was not comfortable just starting off with the scribbles like he does. I actually had to draw the outline in pencil and then go over it a bit with the pen, and then fill in all of the dragonly details with the scribbles. Now, the other part I love about Davy's art is that he really does epic characters usually. The mighty Themistocles, or a fierce Godzilla, or an amazing dragon. But he also, in some of his videos, has a little story to go behind it. And I really liked that idea, but I thought I would save that till the end so you can see which dragon it is I'm drawing. Of course, it's not the same without his amazing accent. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you'll have to check out one of his amazing videos, and I will definitely link his channel below, so please, please, please go check out Davy J Art with a pen. He is an amazing artist, and I am so excited and honored that he would do this collaboration with me. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see my reveal of which infamous dragon this will be, and also some dragonly adventures at the end. So nowhere near as fierce and mighty as one of Davy's drawings, and I had carpal tunnel by the end. But now is the time for the big reveal. So this description is directly from Wikipedia, and I will link it below, and like I said, I can't do it justice without the deep voice and the accent. But here we go. Smaug is a dragon and the main antagonist in J.R.R. Tolkien's 1937 novel The Hobbit, his treasure and the mountain he lives in being the goal of the quest. Powerful and fearsome, he invaded the dwarf kingdom of Erebor 150 years prior to the events described in the novel. A group of 13 dwarves mounted a quest to take the kingdom back, aided by the wizard Gandalf and the hobbit Bilbo Baggins. In The Hobbit, Thorin describes Smaug as a most specially greedy, strong, and wicked worm.